Hello everyone and welcome to HOMAG Newsflash. We are starting 2024 with lots of exciting prospects and highly promising innovations. In the coming months, you can really look forward to some sophisticated new products and innovative software solutions that will help to further optimize your processes. In our last Newsflash, CEO Dr. Schmidt announced some of the upcoming highlights for 2024, so let's take a look at what's in store. Joining me to talk about this topic is Fabian Hornstein. Hi there, Fabian. Now, all these many innovations at HOMAG, how were they created? How can we picture the entire process?
Yeah, hello Jasmine. To get those innovations, you need the just right combination of technical know-how, creativity, and a good understanding of the market. And to achieve that, we have teams from very different departments, like for instance, engineers or software developers, and some of them are also both. And together, they are working on new solutions, considering trending technologies as well as customers' needs. And within the whole process, we are working very closely together with the customers. Once we find a solution that fits a customer, we use scientific methods to find out if this is fitting the whole market or a big part of the market. And then we try to make that measurable to validate that. And that's the part that I think is super exciting.
Fabian, do you happen to have any example for us? Anything you've developed recently or perhaps improved for customers?
Yeah, absolutely. Last year on Ligna, we released a new feature in the app Service Assist. Service Assist is the app that I'm responsible for. And this feature is called a maintenance overview. Within the maintenance overview, you can see like all the maintenances on your shop floor, but also you can do a drill down, click on a machine, and you can see which maintenances are on a machine, due, up to date, and also get the maintenance instructions. Now we spoke to customers and they asked us, hey, would it be possible that we define some contacts internally and they get a report via email once a month with all the maintenance overview details in it? And we just released that feature. So it's actually a rather small feature, but it's having a big advantage for our customers. And this is something that I think is pretty cool.
Wow, now that sounds fantastic. Congratulations that you were able to implement so quickly. What else can you tell us about the app?
Yeah, I'm happy too. Service Assist comes in two versions. You have Service Assist Classic and you have Service Assist Advanced. Classic is free of charge and Service Assist Advanced is the paid version. And even within Service Assist Classic, you already get a lot of super handy features, like all the maintenance features I just told you about, but also some more features. What I recommend is just trying it out. And you can do that very easily. Just create a Tapio account, add your machines, and if you do so, you automatically get the license once the machine is validated as an official HOMAG machine, which it probably is. So you get the license, you can log in, and you can start right away, experience all the Service Assist Classic features, and also get information about the Service Assist Advanced features, like for instance, the solutions for specific error messages, where you can find a solution for an error that you have on your machine on your own without any help.
Wow, there's even a free version. Thank you, Fabian. That's great news. Avoiding rejects is an important issue in all companies. For one, this means less work in post-production and at the same time optimized processes and costs. HOMAG has come up with two smart systems for precisely this purpose. Automation has many advantages, which is why more and more companies are opting for a saw with robot operation. HOMAG has developed the MSQ, the cutting quality measuring system, to make optimum use of this said saw. The system enables the cutting quality to be monitored automatically. This is done by regularly checking the edge chipping within predefined limit values. The measuring frequency is freely selectable. For example, it is possible to measure every last part of a cutting pattern. The tolerance check is another innovation from HOMAG developers. It ensures that the dimensional and angular accuracy of the parts can also be guaranteed for panels with material stresses. This is made possible by the sensor system directly on the angle ruler. With its help, The machine operator recognizes curvatures even before cross-cutting and knows whether the parts are within the required dimensional tolerance. And that, in turn, ensures smoother processes in the workshop. And that's not all we have to offer. IntelliDivide is a web-based optimization software for panel dividing and nesting. Our expert on this is Kai Friebe, and Kai said he brought a little something along for me. I'm not quite sure what it is yet, but I am sure ready to find out. So let's ask him. Hi there, Kai. So I heard you had some information you wanted to share about IntelliDivide?
Yes, that's right. As you know, our optimization software for panel dividing and nesting is quite powerful.
All right, I have actually heard that, but I have also heard that it's pretty easy to use, right?
Yes, exactly. That's also why I wanted to talk to you today. There's a tutorial series coming soon here on YouTube, where I show what IntelliDivide is all about.
Now that does sound great, but how long does it take to watch all of these videos, Kai? You know I'm on the road a lot. I'm sure many of our viewers also don't have that much time.
Jasmine, I know that. That's why I can tell you right now that you don't even need 1 hour to become a professional IntelliDivide user.
That sounds perfect. And the whole thing can be found on YouTube?
Yes, exactly. Not much longer, and you can find the videos here on this channel.
Amazing, Kai. Thank you so much. I will be sure to have a look at those. And thank you for joining us for today's HOMAG Newsflash, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this brief insight into upcoming developments. Remember to stay tuned for everything that 2024 has in store for the woodworking industry. We look forward to seeing you again for the next Newsflash. Until then, I wish you all the best and lots of success. Take care, everyone. Bye.